Today, we will study sigma bonds and pi bonds. But before understanding sigma bonds and pi bonds, we first need to understand some basic concepts. So, stay with me till the end of the video. And if you are enjoying these chemistry lessons, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more easy chemistry lectures. We will begin with atomic orbitals, then molecular orbitals, then orbital overlap, and finally, we will learn how sigma bonds and pi bonds are formed. Every atom contains two main parts, a nucleus at the center, and electrons around the nucleus. These electrons do not stay randomly around the atom. Instead, they stay in special regions around the nucleus. These regions are called orbitals. Now let us understand atomic orbitals. An atomic orbital is a region around the nucleus where there is a high chance of finding an electron. In simple words, an orbital is an electron cloud around the nucleus. There are different types of atomic orbitals. These are s orbitals, p orbitals, d orbitals, and f orbitals. In chemical bonding, we mostly study s orbitals and p orbitals because these orbitals mainly take part in bond formation. Now let us look at the shape of the s orbital. An s orbital has a spherical shape. It looks like a ball surrounding the nucleus. This is the simplest type of orbital. Now let us study the p orbital. A p orbital has two lobes. Its shape looks like a dumbbell. The nucleus lies between these two lobes. P orbitals are very important in the formation of sigma bonds and pi bonds. Atomic orbitals combine to form molecular orbitals. Let us take the example of the hydrogen molecule. Each hydrogen atom contains one electron in one s orbital. When two hydrogen atoms come close, their s orbitals overlap. This overlap forms a shared molecular orbital. As a result, the H2 molecule is formed. There are two main types of orbital overlap. The first is direct overlap. The second is sideways overlap. These two types of overlap produce two different types of covalent bonds. Now let us study the sigma bond. A sigma bond is formed by direct overlap of orbitals. This direct overlap is also called head-on overlap. The orbitals overlap directly between the nuclei of the atoms. In sigma bonding, orbitals overlap directly with each other. Because the overlap is direct, it becomes very strong. That is why sigma bonds are stronger than pi bonds. Also remember, every single bond is a sigma bond. Sigma bonds can form in different ways. For example, SS overlap. When an s orbital overlaps with another s orbital, a sigma bond is formed, s plus p overlap. When an s orbital overlaps with a p orbital, a sigma bond is also formed. This is called sp overlap. pp overlap. When two p orbitals overlap head-to-head, a sigma bond is formed. This is called pp overlap. Now let us study pi bonds. A pi bond is formed by the sideways overlap of p orbitals. Unlike sigma bonds, the overlap is not direct. Instead, the orbitals overlap from the sides. In pi bonding, the sideways overlapping occurs above and below the bond axis. A pi bond cannot form without a sigma bond. Because sideways overlap is smaller, pi bonds are weaker than sigma bonds. Now let us understand the formation of a pi bond. Pi bonds are formed when parallel p orbitals overlap sideways. This creates electron clouds above and below the nuclei. This sideways overlap forms the pi bond. It is also called pp sideways overlap.